I've been wrenching on cars for 15 years, and I'm about to save you from the biggest mistake car buyers make: overpaying for unreliable junk. These are the 7 most reliable used cars under $15,000 that mechanics actually recommend. No dealer lies, no hidden problems, just solid cars that won't drain your wallet. Let's get into it. Number 1. The 2013 to 2016 Honda Accord. You can find clean examples with under 100,000 miles for $12,000 to $14,000. Here's what makes this car bulletproof. The 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine is one of Honda's most reliable powertrains. I've seen these go 300,000 miles with just basic maintenance. The CVT transmission in these years is actually solid, unlike the Nissan disasters I warn you about. What mechanics love: parts are cheap and everywhere. Brake pads, $40. Oil changes, simple. The suspension doesn't fall apart like German cars. What to watch for? Check the infotainment screen. Some units freeze up. It's annoying, but not a deal breaker. Also, inspect for oil leaks around the valve cover gasket on higher mileage examples. Real talk, this is the car I'd buy for my own kid. Boring? Sure. Reliable? Absolutely. Number 2. Can't have a reliability list without the 2012 to 2015 Toyota Camry. These are selling for $10,000 to $13,000, depending on mileage. The 2.5-liter 4-cylinder is legendary. I've rebuilt maybe 3 of these engines in 15 years, and that's because owners never change the oil. Do basic maintenance, and this thing will outlive you. Why mechanics recommend it? The automatic transmission is a traditional 6-speed. No CVT nonsense. It shifts smooth at 200,000 miles. Timing chain instead of belt means one less expensive service. And Toyota's build quality means door handles and window regulators actually work. These are so reliable, they hold their value. You're paying a premium for peace of mind. Also, the interior is pretty basic, no fancy tech. Pro tip: look for the SE model if you want slightly better handling. The base LE is fine, but feels like driving a couch. Number 3. The 2014 to 2017 Mazda 3. This is the hidden gem most people overlook. You can snag these for $9,000 to $12,000. The 2.0 or 2.5-liter Skyactiv engines are incredibly efficient and reliable. Mazda doesn't cut corners. These feel like $30,000 cars inside. The handling is actually fun, which is rare in this segment. What I see in the shop, almost nothing. Seriously, these don't break. No major transmission issues, no engine problems. The rust protection is better than older Mazdas too. Minor issues: the infotainment system is dated and the touchscreen is slow. Some owners report the AC compressor failing around 100,000 miles, about $800 to fix. Still way cheaper than most repairs. If you want reliability and don't want to fall asleep driving, this is your car. Number 4 might surprise you. The 2011 to 2014 Ford Fusion with the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder. These are $7,000 to $10,000 and actually reliable. The key is the engine. Avoid the EcoBoost turbos and the V6. The base 2.5-liter is a Mazda-designed engine that's rock solid. The 6-speed automatic is also Mazda-sourced and handles abuse well. Why I recommend it? For the price, you get a comfortable mid-size sedan with good safety ratings. Parts are cheap because Ford sold millions of these. I can fix anything on this car blindfolded. The warnings: the My Ford Touch system is garbage, laggy and crashes constantly. The door latches can fail and trap you inside. There was a recall. Make sure it's done, and check for water leaks around the windshield. This isn't as bulletproof as the Honda or Toyota, but at this price point, it's a solid value. Number 5. If you need an SUV, the 2013 to 2016 Honda CR-V is your answer. Budget $13,000 to $15,000 for clean examples. Same reliable 2.4-liter engine as the Accord. Same solid 5-speed automatic transmission. No CVT until 2015, and even the CVT in these is decent. All-wheel drive is available and actually works in snow. Mechanic perspective. These are maintenance champions. Timing chain, not belt. Brakes last forever because the CR-V is light. The suspension doesn't wear out prematurely like German SUVs. What to inspect? The rear differential fluid should be changed every 30,000 miles on AWD models. Most owners skip this. Check for oil consumption on 2012 to 2013 models specifically, and the tailgate struts can wear out. Cheap fix. This is the SUV I recommend to every family. Practical, reliable, holds resale value. Number 6. The 2012 to 2015 Subaru Impreza. If you live where it snows, this is your car. Prices range from $9,000 to $12,000. The 2.0-liter boxer engine is reliable if, and this is critical, you keep up with oil changes. Subarus burn oil. It's just what they do. Check it every 1,000 miles and top it off. Do that, and you'll hit 200,000 miles. Why mechanics like it? The symmetrical all-wheel drive is the best system under $20,000. It's standard, not optional. Ground clearance is excellent, and the CVT in these years is actually pretty reliable for a CVT. The downsides: you will burn oil. Budget an extra quart every 2,000 miles. The head gaskets can leak on older examples. Check for this. And rust can be an issue in salt states. Inspect the subframe. If you need AWD and can handle the oil consumption quirk, this is a great choice. Number 7. The 2013 to 2016 Mazda CX-5. This is the best compact SUV nobody talks about. You'll find these for $11,000 to $14,000. Same Skyactiv reliability as the Mazda 3, but in SUV form. The 2.0 or 2.5-liter engines are bulletproof. The 6-speed automatic is smooth and durable. A WD is available and works great. What I see, these just don't break. Mazda's build quality is exceptional. The interior materials are better than Honda or Toyota at this price point. It actually feels premium. Minor concerns. The touchscreen can be glitchy. Software updates usually fix it. Some owners report the rear hatch struts failing. $100 fix. And like all Mazdas, check for rust if you're in the salt belt. This is my top pick if you want an SUV that's reliable, fun to drive, and won't bore you to tears. Here you have it. 7 reliable used cars under $15,000 that won't leave you stranded. These are the cars mechanics actually buy for their families. If this saved you from buying a lemon, hit that like button. Subscribe for honest mechanic advice. No dealer BS, just real talk. Drop a comment. Which car are you considering? Tell me the year and mileage, and I'll let you know if it's a good deal or a money pit waiting to happen. See you in the next one.